By 2024, 61% of customers expect their banks to go digital, with only 39% human intervention. 80% of customers demand 24/7 straight-through processing digital services across different channels. We are witnessing a new era of self-service and straight-through processing services covering cross-border payments, compliance requirements, and rapidly evolving industry standards. But meeting those demands is simply difficult to achieve with traditional banking methods, which lack flexibility and require lengthy and costly processes. Traditional banking methods that are reliant on legacy back-end systems are no longer affordable for several reasons. In this traditional model, business rules are distributed across different layers and multiple systems. There is no centralized transaction orchestration point, and banks are relying on their core banking systems for end-to-end transactions management. When it comes to the payment systems, it acts as a bridge to receive ready payloads and direct them to networks, more like a middleware rather than true payments management. This approach is no longer affordable, as it requires more time and higher costs to accommodate for changes that arise from business or market demands. Banks would need to alter multiple systems across front-end, back-end, and core banking systems, which is challenging when it comes to frequent and continuous change. It also results in unnecessary coordination and efforts for timely delivery and the launch of new service to the market. Let's not also forget the regulatory and compliance requirements that continuously change and must be accommodated for by banks in a timely manner. These changes are not one-time investments. They are as endless as new demands that may arise, which is the main reason behind the formation of our payments hub. We reserve the front-end channels for their designated purpose, a user-friendly interface layer that presents data to customers on whichever channel they want. These channels have a real UI interface connecting to back-end APIs and then the payments hub. The payments hub then acts as a centralized orchestrating platform for validation, processing, transaction posting, and payments routing to the final destination. It manages the actual building of payment payloads of all networks, including network regulatory requirements and data fulfillment. It also automatically manages payments and remittances and selects the best route based on rich routing rules, SLA management, and smart network directories and correspondence. This converts the traditional approach into an advanced smart routing approach to identify, manage, and handle customer demands in an STP 24/7 mode. In this case, the back-end core banking system is reserved for managing the chart of accounts and necessary entries for payment types and remittances. With that, banks can now introduce a microservices, cloud-native, and full-fledged payments hub platform connecting and orchestrating banking systems with minimal changes. This includes full integration with many remittances networks, including faster delivery and multiple rollouts of new Swift service integrations and launches, such as CBPR+, Swift Go, ISO 20022, and many others. What we have in our hands is a gem for banks and their future, whether in migrating to ISO 20022, having a CBPR+ ready platform for cross-border payments, or introducing new services with minimized hassles and maximized customer satisfaction.